What's up guys, I finished the floor all done. I put one more clear coat, the second one is already done, and I finished the walls paint. I did paint it right now, and I'm going to put this one, the wall back, or maybe I need to measure and cut it, things a little bit bigger. And I'm planning to paint this wall white all the way. Halfway I'm going there too, and I'm planning to paint the door, the front, the outside is painted, but I'm going to add one more. I'm going to sand it, and this one I just started a long time ago, so I'm going to finish it. I'm going to sand it right now. First I'm going to do it, this one, supposed to, and then this one, the wall, and then I'm going to cover right that one. And I will try to paint inside it. It'll be harder, but I will try my best. And I didn't buy any shelf yet, but I'm going to do that. So this is part 3. This one's the last part, will be for this tools room. I'm planning to paint that room, but it'll be other part. It's not included with this one, so I don't know when I'm going to paint that one, but I'm going to do that. So stay tuned for that video if you want to check it out. This over here, some of the stuff I'm going to throw away, so yeah. So today I might put the tools back. 3 of them will be down there, hopefully today. It's going to happen or not, who knows. So today's doing that, so I don't know when I'm going to put this one, but I hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, I finished the wall and the door. So it's getting brighter inside here because of the walls paint. If I paint this one, maybe it's getting brighter more. Or I need to change the bulbs. I was trying, but the bulb's too big, not too small. But yeah, or too small or too big. For this one's too old, or if I want to change the whole thing, it'll be expensive. I don't want to spend money for this right now. I didn't finish this one, the wall, yet. Maybe I'm going to do it today later, or tomorrow I'm going to do it. And my plan is to bring the tools. It's going to happen maybe tomorrow, or tomorrow Sunday, or I'm going to do it on Monday. So, and I didn't paint inside there. Inside there's no paint, and over there I didn't paint it, but I'm going to do it later on, not very soon, but I'm going to do it. What else do I have with it? That's it. So maybe tomorrow I'm going to put the tools I told you, or Monday. So yeah, then see you maybe tomorrow, after tomorrow. Good morning guys. Today is Monday. Yesterday I didn't work, so today I'm going to bring the tools. I already over here, clean it over here to push it. It'll be easier. Hopefully the bigger one, the green box, the master box, so it'll be easier to push it, hopefully. Otherwise I need to take the tools out and then push it. So I'm going to put it over there for now. And I might buy a shelf. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I did not decide yet. I'm just searching on the internet what I'm going to do. So hopefully I'm going to clean this table, and some of them going to throw away. Maybe the table I'm going to paint, I'm not sure, white, gray, not sure. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay guys, finally I put the tools here. It was super hard. Only that one, the easy one. This one, the black one was, I tried to, without running, I tried to do it, but it doesn't work, so I need to run. This thing is so hard. So I think you saw the video. I think you can see it, I'm not sure. So with that, I need to run both of them. The bigger one was super harder. Some of the tools I take it off, otherwise it'll be harder more. So finally it's here. So it look good. So I'm going to clean it. There is a grease on the toolbox, on the green one especially, you can see it. So yeah. Now I'm going to put the tools back, and then I'm going to clean over here. Good morning guys, I start organize this room. So almost there to finish it, but I was planning to build shelf or cabinet. I was planning to build one, the cabinet, but I don't have tools to do that. So I'm not going to do it right now. I don't want to spend money or build a shelf. So I'm going to leave it like this for now. But if I build one, every corners will be two. So two over there, two over here, will be four, and then one over here. I'm not going to do it over there because for the toolbox, and then two over there. I'm going to tear that one off and do that. I'm not going to build over here yet. I'm not decided over here, but on the other side, I'm going to do that. So this one is my stand. I get it maybe 3 months ago or 2 months. I'm not remember. Over there, same one. This one's my battery charger and my welding machine, and I organized that one. So I'm going to put over there like this. And this one is my heater. So for the compressor, it will fit down here. It is the smaller one I have for now. I was planning to buy bigger one, but for now I'm not going to do that. I don't want to spend $500 or more. So I'm going to leave it. This one I'm going to put it down here, over here, when I finish painting inside there. And I will paint this one too. My plan, I will going to paint this one. I didn't see it, I forget before. Now this one made good. It's getting too brighter a little bit, so that's good news. And what else I mentioned? Okay, so this part's all done. Let's go in this room. So on this room, I'm planning maybe in the future, not in the future, maybe 5 months later. Same deal on the corners, two cabinets. I'm going to tear this one off, and this one too. I don't need it. If I build cabinet down here and all the way cabinet, I'll take that wood thing and tear down one too. So all the way cabinet, and then down there I'm going to build self table. I'm going to build my own self, and I'm going to do steel table. When if you want to work on there or put a engine on it, you can do that. Not the bigger engines, the smaller one, 4 cylinders, when you're going to build it or something like that. And if you want to store some engines under there, you can do that. Like now there's an engine down there, there's almost 3 engines. For the tires, I don't know what I'm going to do, they're so big, not sure for that. Yeah, I'm going to build over here, maybe folder one for this one, not sure. What else? So on this side I'm going to clean it, almost there. This the shingles I'm going to put up there. I'm not going to put it there anymore. Some of the parts goes there. Transmission for the Corvette, I'm going to keep it here somewhere. And there's too much engines down here. Okay, this engine over here, it is for the Mazda, that later on very soon you can check out that video, maybe very soon, I'm not sure. Dust 2 is for Dodge, one of it's for Dodge Avenger, one of it is for Dodge Caliber, I think, not sure, but same engine, a little bit difference, maybe for the intakes difference. Yeah, so let me unbox this one and throw the box. I'm planning to put down there. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, maybe under there, not sure, maybe there, no idea. And then I'm planning to paint this the table maybe white or gray, I'm not sure. White's better, I think. So almost there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What's up guys, I finished my tools room. Here it is. Only left the lights, I'm going to replace it. I did buy from Amazon, so I'm going to put LED lights. I was planning to buy from Home Depot, but from Home Depot they're expensive, so Amazon will be cheaper. So I'm going to replace it. I don't know when I'm going to do that, but this video is all done. That one different part, if you want to check it out. I don't know when it's going to be, but yeah. So here it is, my tools. If you didn't see part 1, I'll put the link up there. You can check it out. So here it is, my tools. So there's tools over there, more tools inside the box. Here it is. Here it is. I will show you as a video if you want my tools. Here it is. I need to organize a little bit. So here it is. There's tools here and tools in here. But that one's the main one. And my compressor, I put it there. It fits perfectly, so I put it there. In the future, I'm going to upgrade this one. This one's the smallest one I have for now. I have it almost 6 years, so I'm going to upgrade it. And I got new stands, if you saw it. This one, my stands, and body filler on this box. That one's everything. I don't want to have it. So there is more over here. I put down there NASCAR, Subaru, BRZ parts, and Dodge Avenger, I think. My welding machine, charger, a vacuum, and snowblower. And some engine stuff. I can't tell that one what's engine, and gym parts, and I don't know what else on that one. On this side there's a trash bag and heating, and yeah, this one's for the body tools. Alright, there's a stand, my old stands, and my jack stopped working. I'm going to replace it, or I'm going to replace the seals. I don't know, it stopped working. Sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work. And there's engines down there and transmission. My friend engine and transmission there over there, and there is a Mazda down here. I don't know when I'm going to work on this car, but I'm going to work. I don't have that much parts, so I need some transmission. So there's the engine down here, two engines, same identical. I did replace 4 customers. So now I'm going to bring my Subaru back inside here. So here it is. That's back here. So if you see it before and after, I'll show you in before and after inside the video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So stay tuned for other videos. Alrighty, bye.